Okay, I just tried to go live on YouTube again. Why is this not working? Okay, now it shows that I'm live. Yeah, now it shows that I'm live. So that's very weird. That is very weird indeed. That is very weird indeed. Yeah, that's very weird indeed, I will say. Because what the hell is going on? Anyway, let's now go and go to create, go live. And now let's see why is it not working properly. So now if I do exclamation point LURK, it should pop up with okay, we have a problem again. Now YouTube won't work. I think I know why. So if I go back here and I go to the lurk command and or actually the commands and I do lurk, let's do YouTube message, Twitch message. Okay. Theoretically, it should work now. There it goes. Okay. I'm noticing something. The YouTube comments or the YouTube is not coming through on this thing. YouTube's not coming through at all. This is what I'm talking about. Every time I try to stream, there's multiple things that keep going wrong. Everything breaks. Every fucking thing breaks. Because YouTube should be on that list. Again, YouTube should be on the list of those things. So now if I do alerts, no widgets, where is the... Wait, where the hell? Chat overlay. It should be here. Okay. All right, so let's do this multi-chat. AV save. Okay. Theoretically, I should have YouTube working with this. So if I do this again... Okay, so YouTube just doesn't work. That makes no sense. That makes no sense. Again, it should work. Why in the world is it not working on YouTube? Okay, I just did a test YouTube chat message, but it is not appearing in the little thing. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me here? I'm logged in. Okay, something ain't right. Okay, so Twitch works. Okay. All right, let's try this again. Because now it should work. Except it doesn't want to show my messages. There we go. God damn, it took a long ass time. God damn, that took a long ass time. So now if I do the lurk, it should come up. How long is it going to take for the YouTube thing to show up? Because my God, that is... Jesus Christ, that took a long ass time to do. Well, at least I know it works. That's all I care about. Look, currently that's all I care about. So I think we've gotten, for the most part, my things working properly. At least I think we do. I guess we now, well, oh no, I take that back. We need to update, or we need to figure out the Kick thing. Okay, we need to find out the Kick update title. Oh, that's right, because I had to figure out how to do it. So, theoretically, I need to look up the... Okay, so I need to find the documentation and triggers. And I need category title changed. Okay. All right, so okay, so theoretically I should, where is this at? All right. So theoretically what I should do is category and title needs to happen. Okay, so here's what I need to figure out then. All right, so we need to get input. So we're going to do enter the stream title. Okay, so all right, I think I know what I have to do. So we go to core and we go to arguments. Oh, well, no. This get input would be input game. So core arguments, set arguments. So input game. Input game would be game updates. Okay, I think I figured it out. Okay, I think I figured it out. I think I figured it out. Okay, so now I need to do another core arguments, set argument, and then this one would be input title. And then it would be status update. Okay. I don't know whether or not this is going to work all that well, but we're going to see. Now we're going to go to core, C plus or C sharp, execute C method. Now execute, we're going to change stream info. Well, let me see what we got. Okay. So we've got change stream info. I think that's the only thing that I can really do. Yep, that's it. So change stream info. Okay, let's see if this works. All right. All right. I don't know if this worked, but we're going to see. I don't think it did. Okay, so that's definitely not what I was expecting. Okay, so that was not what I was expecting. Okay, so we're going to have to delete those. Okay, so that's not quite what I was expecting. Not what I was expecting. So let's do this again. Okay, theoretically, it probably won't work on Kick. I don't think it would. Okay, but I mean, it works on Twitch, of course. It works on Twitch. And of course, YouTube, it doesn't fucking work. Of course, on YouTube, it doesn't fucking work. Of course, on YouTube, it does not work. Says it's an expensive call. Please use it sparingly. Okay, whatever. Yeah, again, I don't know what's going on with it, but yeah, that's kind of ridiculous. Okay, so I can't get the Kick to work. I mean, I know I'm live on Kick. At least I should be. Yeah, I'm live on Kick. I just don't know why it's not working. Okay, so at least we know that the at least we know that all that's working. Okay, so let's think about this for a second. Maybe I just have to do an entirely separate method. The problem is that in order for me to do the update streams, I'd have to make this a multi-action. Yeah, I'd have to make it a multi-action. All right, let's try this just in a vacuum, right? Let's just try it in a vacuum. Let's copy that. Well, actually, let's just duplicate. And now we're just getting rid of this. Yes, this. Yes. All right, now, theoretically, this should work. Game update. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can figure this out. And okay, now theoretically I should be able to do C# execute method, and I should just be able to do change stream info and it okay. Okay, so now we do core test. All right, so okay. It should have already changed it and it didn't. Yeah, it is not working. Okay, so it does not work. Yeah, there's no way to do this. Okay, that's weird. Okay, so methods. Let's do methods because this is ridiculous. Change stream info. Okay. Okay, so maybe the thing is okay, so now core arguments, set arguments. So now the argument should be just title. Oh great. How the hell was I doing this before? Shit. Okay, output variable. Okay, output variable should be category. Okay, and this should be title. And it should be change stream info. I just need to see. God damn it, that's not what I was trying to do. Test. Okay. Theoretically, this should work. It fucking did. All right, good. So we have it figured out. We have it figured out. Okay. So what that means is this. Theoretically, okay, here's what we're going to have to do. All right, here's what we're going to have to do. I can do all of this now that I figured out how to do this. All right. I just have to make another get input. I'm going to have to do this for... All right. So this is going to kind of suck, but I have no other choice. Okay. Now all I need to do is do another... We're just going to copy these two get inputs first. Copy. Paste. And now all I need to do is kick. And then now all I need to do is make it category. And just to make it visually distinct, no, we'll not do it, you know, it'll be fine. It's a little bit of a pain in the ass, but this is going to work. Like, this will work. I have to enter in the information multiple times, but this will work. And then now we're going to name that title. Okay, so now that we've got that done, now all I have to do is core C# execute C method and change stream info and hit OK, and then pop it there, and everything should work. The only thing that's not going to work right now is YouTube for some reason. Hold the fuck up. Something ain't right. Oh, so it does fucking work. It does work. So with this, we're gonna do okay, so it works. So we've got this to work properly. So now all I need to do is pop this open. And now, all right. Test Twitch and YouTube title. Enter game name, kick, just chatting. And enter stream title. Okay, now theoretically that should have changed everything. So now I'm going to refresh. Perfect. Refresh. Yes. And refresh. Fucking perfect. That works. So now I have all of my update streams working perfectly. Oh my God, that worked. Oh my God, that worked. I can't believe how that worked. So, we'll play like maybe a couple of games. Yeah, we'll play like a couple of games of Tekken now. Now that I've kind of figured out how to get the stream titles to be working properly, it took a little bit of effort. It's a little cumbersome because I have to type it multiple times, but look, it works. And that's all I can ask for right now. That's literally all I can ask for right now. So, let's update my streams. All right, all right. Okay, so if everything worked out properly, everything should work. Okay, not quite what it was supposed to be. Okay, so let's fix that. Category. Okay, so we got to figure out the category again for some reason. All right, let's try this again. So, cancel. All right. Okay, theoretically, this should be right. There we go. We fixed it. Okay, so okay, so I guess we have to do it every time. So okay. Now it should all be working properly. Yep, now it's working properly. And there we go. We got everything working properly. Look, so we got it working properly. That's all I care about. We have everything working properly. At least for the time being. At least for the time being, we have everything proper. Like I said, at least for the time being, we've got everything working properly. So, let's do main scene. And let's try and play the game for the first time online, and God knows how long. All right. We're going to see how well this works on stream, too. All right. For the first time in I do not know how long, we're going to be doing we're literally going to be fighting online for the first time in God knows, probably like maybe 2.5 months. Two and a half months, people. I haven't played online since the season 2 dropped. Come on. There we go. I was going to say, I haven't played online since season 2 dropped. So I don't know what's going to be, you know, all good here. All right, so change character. We're going to go Victor. Not ranked. Quick match. Oh, damn. We can do same rank only in quick match. We'll do 1 or lower. Plus or minus 1 or lower. And then, we'll do the white. Begin search. Oh, wow. Okay, so they've updated this little thing. All right, so we're going to try. We're going to try for the first time in fucking forever. Let's see how well I keep up. First time in God knows how long.
Il y a de l'amélioration, Raven. Round 1. Fight. You're mine.
There we go.
Round 2. Fight.
Well, damn.
Round 3. Fight. Je te tiens. Delia.
Damn.
You win.
That was my first match back, by the way. My first match back in 2.5 months. Damn. I can see he wasn't too pleased. Oh well. Literally my first match in like 2.5 months. I don't know whether he just didn't like fighting Victor or what, but oh well.